Good.
Hey guys, welcome to Elaine's vlog. So today, in today's vlog, tapos oh my god. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm here to end the vlog. I'm sorry it's so short lang. I didn't want to talk a lot kasi if you didn't know, actually wala pa akong pinagsabihan. It's been 1 week since my surgery. Wow, surgery! It feels so very minor lang naman siya. Kaya hindi ako makapagsalita na maayos kasi namamaga pa siya. First day after ng surgery. Hindi ko ma-recognize yung sarili ko kasi other than the fact na umiyak ako sa sobrang sakit, edi maga-maga yung mata ko, magang-maga din yung right side ng mukha ko. So, parang hindi ko makilala sa sarili ko. But, anyways, ang dami ko nasabi. Masakit pa rin siya. Akala ko after 1 week, hindi na siya sasakit. Pero, sakit pa rin. After this video, magpo-post ako ng different videos pa. I was supposed to upload the past month, pero I didn't get the chance to kasi I've been very busy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!